studied here. Of Honorable Lieutenant Governor, whose guidance is inspired major social transformations across Jammu and Kashmir. We also thanking the Pooch administration for their strong support and their cooperation. As we lay foundation today, SRDS reaffirms its dedication to ensuring this project becomes a symbol of hope, stability, and a brighter future for the families of Pooch.
We are from HRDS India. It is a 30-year-old NGO. Started operations from Kerala. Now we are well established in Orissa. We are doing more than 1 lakh houses for the tribal people of Orissa. And now we have an agreement with the government of Jammu and Kashmir to construct 1,500 houses for the people who have lost houses during the Operation Sindoor as well as the last flood in Jammu and Kashmir area. And now, of course, you have heard from Lieutenant Governor Ji that we have to construct more houses. So more requirement is there. We are with the people. It is our commitment to the people who are lost houses to construct houses for them. Then even we will work for the livelihood of the people also. We are constructing their the sheds for the cow, like that. For their work also we are working.